You can smell it through the plastic. Dope boy magic. Shit tragic.
Go, 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 go. And on the count of three, go, 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 go. And on the count of three.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Insta Baddie look. We're going to start off with our eyebrows. I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown. I'm just going to fill in my brows really sharply. I want a really super arched brow for this look. And I'm going to clean them up with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Next, we're going to base the eye with Makeup Revolution Cut Crease base. It's like a really nice dupe for the P. Louise base if you can't get your hands on the P. Louise one. And I believe it's only like $7.99. It's really good. So for our palette of the day, we're going to be using the Alyssa Edwards times ABH palette. I'm going to be using those two shades. It's going to be a super neutral look, nothing crazy or dramatic. This look is more so about bringing radiance to the skin and just looking super duper doll-like. That moment when your neighbors is pissing you off. I'm like, what the fuck is that? So I'm just taking those two shades. The darkest one I put in my crease and the lightest one I just put all over my lid. Literally, that's the eye look. Nothing crazy. I'm priming my face with the Smashbox Radiant Photo Ready Primer. Love this primer, super dewy, helps with pores, helps to stick the foundation to the skin, really nice. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I finally got my right shade. Like, I finally got my right fucking shade, you guys. About fucking time. Y'all didn't have to tell me the 420 made me look orange, okay? Y'all ain't loyal. Concealer of choice is Born This Way concealer. It's not the multi-scup. I just like to call this the radiant one because this one is like more dewy, more moisturizing. It's not matte at all, and that's why I love this concealer. It's like one of my favorites. Unfortunately, I am running low, so I have to find something else. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shade Deep, and I'm going to use the darkest shade to contour my face. Just putting that on all the highest point of my face, my cheekbones, forehead. I never contour my nose, really. I used to contour my nose when I weighed less, but now I just feel like when I contour my nose, it makes my face look fatter. I don't know why. It's just not my thing. Alright, switching it up, setting powder is Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana. You guys know that Kat Von D is my jam for my setting powder, but I wanted a really highlighted light under eye for this look. I'm contouring with just regular Sephora face powder. I believe it's in the shade Deep 77. And then I'm just going back under my eyes with that dark brown shade. Okay, boom. This is like my favorite eyeliner ever. Like, this is the Sephora Nora Black liquid liner. I'm running very low, struggling, but easily one of my favorite liquid liners. I just used my 25mm lashes from A Crown. I get those off Amazon. You can get 3 for $14. And then for my eye pencil, that is Maybelline Tattoo Studio. It's like a kohl pencil. Y'all already know, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits are the best. This is my sun dipped one. It's like more golden warm shades. This is my favorite highlighter ever. Like, I will use this to the pan, no bullshit, and I will repurchase. Like, oh my gosh, I love this highlighter palette. Fake moles for the win. You already know. I don't know why. I just felt like this really completed the look. Little drama. So this is just regular brown lip liner. I'm going to be using NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in the shade Satin Ribbon. It's like a matte lipstick. And then on top, I top it with Fenty Gloss Bomb. And yeah, that would be it for the look, you guys. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, stay motherfucking furious. Gang, gang. Love you guys. Mwah.